Welcome to One Canal Road. With 24/7 ongoing construction work, our team is committed to delivering your dream lifestyle on time. At One Canal Road, we have completed a ground floor, ramp, and 2 basement levels. Ground floor shuttering and vertical columns have been completed. Working 3 shifts, we have covered a total of 199,062 square feet in construction. Sheer walls of the passenger and cargo lift area have also been completed up to the ground, pouring a total of 4,990 cubic meters of concrete. The second parking basement is now completely constructed. One Canal Road is swiftly completing its construction stages. Watch this space for more project updates for One Canal Road in the future. One Canal Road, Lahore, a project by DR Homes.